Hi Cheryl. Hi Debbie. Hi Doreen. Hi Juanita. Who else is here? Hi Jenny. Hi VG. I don't know. Lovely to see everyone tonight and welcome to my Instagram people. I am doing my Tuesday night live with you all. I've got this recording. Hopefully my internet, it just came up that my internet's not stable, so fingers crossed. We'll just wait until a few more people enter and I'll get ready to get started. So just move that around. So yeah, tonight is all about from overwhelm to outfit confidence and my 3-step formula. I know so many of you get to this point where you're sort of just so overwhelmed you don't know where to start, and I know a lot of people I've been chatting to this week are feeling that way. So that's what I want to help you with tonight. So if you have been feeling stuck in a rut, you might have seen yourself in a photo or like in the mirror and not really loving what you are seeing, or just not feeling like yourself in your clothes. You're definitely not alone. I hear this from so many women all the time, and I've been there too. It's really like that awful feeling where you're like, oh, is that what I look like? I'm not loving that. But then also like going to your wardrobe going, how can I have so many clothes and still not able to work it out? It's really frustrating. It knocks your confidence. It makes getting dressed every morning way harder than it should be. And I have helped thousands of women just like you, busy moms. There might be working moms going, or retirees. I've helped quite a few retirees recently go from overwhelm and stuck to confident and stylish again. And it doesn't have to take a massive shopping spree or a complete sort of wardrobe overhaul. What works is a really simple system that I'm going to chat with you tonight. So I'm going to give you that system, my 3-step formula that takes you from overwhelm to outfit confidence, and it's something that you can start straight away. And at the end, I'm going to invite you to a free 3-day workshop where we can dive into these 3 steps even deeper. I'm going to keep you accountable, and it is actually so much better doing it in a group, because you can see, oh, I'm not alone. There's other people going through this, and makes you want to work towards your goal even more. So here's what I'm going to do. So step 1's about editing, like getting rid of the noise, that clutter in the morning where it's just that so many things. Where do I even start? Step 2 is all about those essential pieces, those key pieces that you really need, or everyone really needs. And step 3 is about easy formulas, so you can create those stylish outfits in minutes. So if that sounds good, let's get in. I've got a few comments coming through. Yes, I feel like I look great in the mirror, but then I don't recognize myself in photos. Yes, there's something going there. We need to sort that out. Okay, cool. Anyone else got any questions? Drop them in the chat. So the first step is edit. You can't create outfits, and I hear this a lot. Like people are like, oh, my main struggle is creating outfits. But before we, like, the outfits are like one of the last steps in the process. So the first step to get to the outfits is the edit. So you can't create the outfit confidence in a cluttered, chaotic wardrobe. So editing means pulling out what doesn't fit, what you don't love, and what doesn't work for your lifestyle anymore. And this is the foundation. So without doing this, you're always going to feel stuck. It's a hard process. I totally get it. There's a lot of like emotions that come up when we're going through our wardrobe. Some people just get so overwhelmed It could be like, I'm feeling guilty about the money that I've spent on the clothes, and then they sort of just get stuck. And they don't even actually know what they're even looking for or how to even start culling. But we do need to cull to get to your goals. And that would be like one of the first steps. The second step is the essentials. So every confident wardrobe has a small set of core pieces that everyone needs. They're not going to be the same piece for everybody. They're going to look a little bit different because everyone has different body shapes. Everyone has different coloring. Everyone has different personal style as well. So your key pieces aren't going to be copied from the person next to you. But they are going to be these key pieces that you need. There's going to be the jeans that fit really well. There's going to be versatile tops, a jacket that really works for everything. And then these are the building blocks that make the rest of your wardrobe work harder for you. So we are going to go through this step by step next week. I can't wait for you to join me in doing that. Just letting some more people in. Welcome. Yes, so that is the second step, essentials. The step 3 is the easy formula. So instead of guessing every morning that you're like, oh, I'll just try this and this, hopefully this outfit works. Like, you really need an outfit formula. Like, it could be jeans, nice top, blazer, or it could be a dress. I was wearing a dress today to work. I added a blazer and a belt and sneakers. And having a bit of a formula, it could be a different pair of jeans on different days, different colored jeans. But in general, it could be like jeans, nice top, blazer, 3 pieces. You feel really good. They suit your body shape, colors, personal style. Or it could be like that dress, could be a blazer like I had. It could be a denim jacket, some sort of jacket and sneakers. So those 3 things could be another really easy outfit formula for you. Once you know your formulas, you can get dressed in minutes and still feel like that you really put together. I know a lot of people that only have a few minutes to get dressed in the mornings, like me. Sometimes it's even better to have those outfits planned. So, I mean, I have a lot of people that are work from home and then they go into the office a couple of days a week. So maybe those days that you're going into the office or you've got something on in the next day, like plan those outfits so it's less stressful for you in the mornings, especially if this is an area that you struggle with. But it is hard to create those outfits until you've done these steps beforehand, which is like the wardrobe audit, making sure you've got those good essential pieces. So that's the formula. We want to edit, we want those essentials, we want those easy formulas, and it's really simple. But when you actually put it into practice, it completely changes the way you get dressed and how confident you feel. And if any of this is resonating with you, next week I'm running that free 3-day workshop. It's a massive event. I do them 4 times a year, and this is your chance to do it with me. It's completely free. You're going to get so much valuable tips and tricks that I have helped thousands of women with their wardrobes, and you can implement it in your life too. So day 1, so it's going to be over the 3 days. So Monday night, same time as tonight, so 8 p.m. Sydney time, we're going to dig into those wardrobe essentials that you really need. What is it that you are actually needing? And there's a bit of a key here as well. Really, your wardrobe essentials depend on your lifestyle as well, because maybe you don't need those things that the stay-at-home mum needs, or the one that's going to work every day needs, or going out, on having different occasions that you need those wardrobe essentials for. So we're going to really dig into that on day 1. Day 2, I'm going to take you step by step through a wardrobe detox. I do these in my wardrobe 4 times a year. It's a great time to do it now. It's getting warmer in Sydney. I know I've just spoken to a few clients in Queensland, and it's heating up there too. So it's a really good time to transfer those clothes. We're going to be packing up our winter items and really looking at, what we actually need in our wardrobe. This is like prime real estate. You are looking at that every day, and it's bringing up those emotions. So we really want that a positive experience for you. So I'm going to take you step by step through a wardrobe detox on day 2. And day 3, we'll be putting it all together with quick and easy outfit formulas to inspire you, to make your mornings less stressful. And I am there for you the whole way through to answer your personalized questions. I know I've even got clients that are going to be coming along. And yeah, it's totally free. It's practical, and it's designed to help you finally go from style overwhelm to outfit confidence. And for you guys, it's about showing up, doing the work. I'm going to keep you accountable. There will be prizes, like massive prizes for people that show up, do the work, positive in the group. And I'll go through those prizes next week, but you have to join live to get the prizes. There will be a replay of the 3 nights because I know so many of you are so busy, but if you do show up, you could be rewarded with a prize. So if you haven't already signed up, I'll be emailing everyone either today with the link to sign up. And for my people watching Instagram, that link is in my bio, so you can join there. And I can't wait to see you there. Any questions before I go, ladies? I'll just wait a couple of seconds to see if anyone's got any questions about, it could be the workshop, it could be what we've spoken about tonight. I'll just open the chat. Do you help with creating a capsule wardrobe? Yes. So yeah, I'm not a fan of fast fashion at 43 years old. I am with you. Yes, it is about... Hi, Tash is just joining. We're just winding it up, Tash, but there is a replay available. So I do help create capsule wardrobes, and I agree with you. I'm not a fast fashion lover. It's about having items that, or this wardrobe that's more curated, that's going to last a long time, because we are busy. We don't have time to go to the shops all the time. Most of my clients hate shopping. So it's like, just set it up so I don't have to think about it. Everything goes together. Everything suits my body shape, suits my colors, suits my personal style. It really needs to tick those 3 boxes before you purchase anything. And yeah, it just takes that overwhelm and stress out of getting dressed in the morning. So I do recommend setting up a bit of a capsule for that. But everyone's capsule's different. Like you might have a summer capsule, a winter capsule, trans-seasonal capsule, and then you could be layering on those pieces. But we'll chat about that next week. I hope you can come. And yeah, lovely to see you all tonight. Thanks for joining, and I will hope to see you next week. See you, ladies. Bye. Bye.